Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to English with Smile today. We have a beautiful and motivational story for you that will not only help you improve your English, but also inspire you to never give up on your dreams. The story is called The Secret of Success. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Rohan. Rohan was very poor, but he had a big dream. He wanted to become a successful businessman and help his family. Every day, he worked hard, selling fruits in the market. But no matter how much he tried, he never earned enough money. He felt sad and thought, maybe I will never succeed. One evening, an old wise man noticed Rohan sitting alone. Looking disappointed, the old man asked, "Why are you so sad, young boy?" Rohan replied, "I work hard every day, but I never get good results. I think I will always be poor." The old man smiled and said, "If you want to succeed, you must learn the secret of success." Rohan's eyes widened. "What is the secret of success?" he asked eagerly. The old man replied, "Meet me tomorrow morning at the riverbank, and I will teach you." Rohan was excited. He couldn't sleep all night, wondering what the secret could be. The next morning, he ran to the riverbank. The old man was waiting for him with a small basket and a shovel. "Come with me," the old man said. They walked to the river, and the old man gave Rohan the basket. "Fill this basket with water from the river," he instructed. Rohan was confused but obeyed. He filled the basket and lifted it, but in seconds, all the water leaked out. He tried again and again, but the same thing happened. Frustrated, he said, "This is impossible. The basket has holes." The old man smiled. "Look inside the basket. What do you see?" Rohan looked and was surprised. The basket, which was dirty before, was now clean and shiny. The old man explained, "Rohan, success is like this basket.